Hey YouTube, oh my gosh, it's been so long since I came to you guys with a video. It's been like a year. I know, I'm sorry, but I just want to say thank you to everyone that actually stayed subscribed to my channel. And I just want to say hi to my new subscribers that haven't met me yet. I am Nietzsche and I'm here today to show y'all how I got this beat. Ooh, do y'all like it? Because I'm in love with this beat, but I just recorded a whole video on how I got it. So if you keep watching, your face could be on fleek like mine. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take some Blistex and moisturize my lips with it because you know I cannot come to y'all with a video with crusty lips. And now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer and I'm just going to prime my face with it. Next, I'm going to take my spoolie brush and brush the little eyebrows that I do have upwards. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the color Ebony to fill in my brows. After my brows are all filled in, I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer in the color Rich just to conceal my brows. Before I conceal the top of my brows, I like to brush the front upwards just so that it doesn't look too harsh. Then I go back in with that same Tarte concealer in the color Rich and I conceal the top of my brows. After concealing my brows, I like to blend them out with my finger. And then next I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Palette and I'm going to use that orange color just to, you know, color correct my dark spots. Next, I'm going to take my favorite foundation from Tarte Cosmetics. It's called Rainforest of the Sea and it is in the color Mahogany. After my foundation is all blended out, I'm going to take my Don't Stray Benefits Cosmetics primer and just prime my eyes with it. And the eyeshadow palette of the day is the Masquerade palette, and the first color I'm going to use is Zulu, and I'm just going to apply that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to be using the color Ada, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner crease. After that's done, I'm going to take this color Zobo and just also apply that to my inner crease. Now I'm just using this fluffy brush just to blend out the outer corners. After that, I'm going to be using that same eyeshadow base primer from Benefits Cosmetics and I'm just going to be cleaning up my lids with it. Next, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow pigment from Inglot and I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue to apply the pigment. And when I tell y'all, Inglot got some bomb ass pigments, okay? If you don't have an Inglot pigment, pause this video and go order you one because they are bomb, okay? Next, I'm going to be using this brown color from the Morphe Ready Set Gold palette and I'm just going to also apply that to my inner crease just to give my eyes a little bit more depth. And now it's time to conceal. I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Full Coverage concealer in the number 18 and I'm just going to conceal my forehead, conceal my cheeks, under my eyes, my chin, under my nose, you know, all the areas that need to be concealed. And I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. You always have to make sure your beauty blender is damp unless your product won't blend. And now it's time to contour. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Espresso to, you know, contour my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, all the areas that need to be contoured. And I also like to spray my beauty blender with a setting spray just to help, you know, set my makeup. And after that is all blended out, I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder and set all my highlighted areas. Next, I'm going to set my contour with the Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation from Becca Cosmetics in the color Cacao. Sorry. And when I tell y'all I love this setting powder, I freaking love this powder. This is my favorite contour powder. Next, I'm going to take this highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and I actually use both colors and apply that to my cheeks and use it as a blush. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Powder Foundation, and I'm just going to wipe away all the baking powder, and this helps blend everything out. Now I'm going to take my NYX black eyeliner and I'm just going to create my wing. My wing came out a little aight today. I'll be having my days when my wing comes out shapopping, but today it came out aight, so we're going to work with it. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter and Trophy Wipe. And when I tell y'all I love this highlighter, obviously, because I apply this shit everywhere, okay, honey? Everywhere. And if you said leave Trophy Wipe in 2017, you need to be left in 2017, okay, honey? Now I'm going to use that same brown color from the Ready Set Gold palette and just apply that to my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I hate this part. It always gets in my eyes. Anyways, I'm not even going to tell y'all what mascara that is because that mascara did me no justice whatsoever. I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, and I'm going to set my makeup with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Ooh, a little bit of it got in my mouth. Next, I'm going to take my Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty, and then I'm going to be taking my NYX Lingerie Matte Lipstick and like literally apply one dot, and look how much comes out. Boom. All of that. Ooh, juicy. I only apply one dot. I forgot what color it is. I wish I remembered. I would tell you guys. I forgot. But now I'm going to go ahead and take my Fenty Beauty and apply that to my upper lips. And I am done. Here is the finished look. Just in case you guys are wondering what kind of hair I have in my head, this is my Brazilian body wave that I straightened and made into a wig. I actually make wigs and I sell hair. I will leave my hair Instagram down below in the description. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will be coming back real soon with a new video, and I'm going to leave all my social medias in my description bar so that you guys can follow me on everything. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I am out of here.